All right, hi choir guys. We just got off of our Zoom, and so I want to make a quick video to show you how exactly you practice for this big project that we are doing, this amazing virtual choir slideshow thing that's going to be just epic of Don't Give Up on Me. So first of all, I'm going to show you super cheesy, low budget film here, you know, not a Hollywood blockbuster, guys. So look, oh, can you see that? Oh, who's that? That'd be me on the screen. This is the warm-up video that I made for you.
A chance to warm up your voice before you start practicing.
Wow, gosh,
So
she's a
let's
genius.
Start with posture perfect.
Oh, I should listen to
Get your mouth
her.
moving, get your diction
I
ready.
should do some warming up with her because oh, look at that beautiful face I put. Oh my gosh. Okay, so first of all, you need to warm up your vocals, okay, before you sing, especially the soprano part. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you one of the practice videos. Okay, so look, here she is again. Wow, she's just everywhere. Now, notice there are lyrics at the bottom of the screen. Right here, this is so not high-tech, but I can't even. Okay, right there, it says CC. Okay, so that needs to be on so that you can see the lyrics. Now, as I sing on my screen here, oh, this is so bad, you guys, here. Reach out and wait for you. Okay, so that's the alto part for 3rd and 4th graders. It says it at the top. It says it in all the links I sent out to your parents. Now, when you're ready to perform, notice I have one earbud. I did not actually plug them in all the way. I'm going to do that now. So if I'm practicing and I have earbuds in, then you're only going to hear my voice. You are not going to hear the computer. But I played it. Okay. Oh, no, I didn't. I played it. I now hear them in my earbuds, but you don't. Okay. And if I'm ready to perform, I would have my parents hold the video right there. And now I'm singing along with the video, but you're only going to hear me. Find a part. Even when they say there's nothing left, so don't give up on, I'm not giving up, I'm not giving up, no, not me. Okay, so what I'm doing is I am singing along. I need to turn this lady, so she's still going. I still hear her in my ears. But because of wearing the earbuds, we're only going to hear you singing. That is the key, is that you're singing along with the videos that I made so that we have the full length of the song, but you only sing your part. So the beginning of the song is a solo, the very end of the song is a solo. After that opening solo, there's a little section that is 5th graders only. So in a 3rd and 4th grade practice part, you'll see that I did not sing out loud. I'm just looking at the camera, smiling oh so sweetly, and that is exactly what you need to do. So I hope that helps. I'm going to go back and watch this and make sure that I didn't give you, motion sickness. But I just wanted to make a super quick video to try to explain practicing. You need to be warming up first. You need to find your practice video. There are 4 different practice videos. 5th grade soprano, 5th grade alto, 3rd and 4th grade alto, 3rd and 4th grade soprano. You need to be practicing with your specific video and practicing enough with CC on so you can be looking at the lyrics so that you're ready to do it. And then when it comes time to perform, you have earbuds in, you have the camera set up so that it's set and not blah, 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 like I was for most of this video. And then you're ready to perform. And we only hear you singing because you have earbuds in. Can't stress that enough. And ideally, there are no other sounds. We don't hear your sweet dog barking. We don't hear, dishes being emptied in the dishwasher, but good job, whoever's doing the dishes. So ideally, it's silent except for you singing, just your voice. I hope this is clear. If you still have questions, send me an email. Okay.